Grounded. For life.
Go to your room now.
What?
Okay class. Today we will be reviewing over maths today as you will be having a test tomorrow.
Ugh, math, why do we have a math test tomorrow? Math is my least favorite subject.
I thought you disliked all of them equally. How come you dislike math more now?
Well, it's because we have a test tomorrow. If we had a history test tomorrow, I'd probably dislike history more. If only there was a way I could get out of this math test. I got it. I'll just pull the fire alarm. Then we wouldn't have to take that test.
That sounds like a good idea.
Okay class. Today we are going to be taking our maths test.
Ms. Fiona, can I please use the bathroom?
Sure Susamaru, please be quick. I want to make sure we have enough time for this test.
Don't worry. I'll be back soon. Here I go. I found the fire alarm. Now I am going to pull it.
Oh no, that's the fire alarm. Everyone, get into a single file line.
I really hope this isn't Susamaru.
It seems like everyone is here, but where is Billy, the 5 Troublemakers, and Susamaru?
We're here.
Okay, we will now have to wait until we get back in.
Principal. I'm afraid not only there is no fire but we weren't able to find any fingerprints or ink on any of the fire alarms.
But to make matters worse, we need to see the footage of who pulled the fire alarm. It's clear that whoever did this seemed to know what they were doing.
So what does that mean?
We're going to need to begin to search any suspects and lockers. I want you to ask your teachers to bring in all students that were outside the school before the alarm went off.
Oh yes, Susamaru. Please come in. Now then, I heard that you went to the bathroom right when the alarm went off. Is that correct?
Yes.
Alright, good. Now I just need to search your stuff and you could leave. Don't worry, it will only take a few seconds.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you for your cooperation. Now, let's see what we got here. Susamaru, why is there some stuff to pull the alarm? Because it seems to me that you're the one that pulled the fire alarm.
Yes, I pulled it. I just wanted to get out of a stupid math test. I had no clue that I'd admit all of this.
A word of advice, next time, study for the test rather than committing a crime. I am going to be calling Tanjiro and Kanao about this and you will be suspended. Now, go back home.
Oh. Susamaru. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school? You are so lucky you didn't get arrested.
That's it. You are grounded for 432524684624195395853 years. Go to your room now, you will never pull the fire alarm again.
No.